Christina here at Sweet Potato Quilts, and I'm on a mission to talk about quilt math in a way that enables quilters to design and make their own quilts without feeling the need to write a pattern and sell it. If you have any quilt math questions or topics you'd like me to cover, please enter them in the comments or send me an email and I'd be so happy to tackle it for you. Today, we're delving into the world of quarter-inch seams and their transformative power for quilters who would like to design and make their own quilts. Quarter-inch seams are the secret sauce of quilting. When sewing fabric right-sized together with a quarter-inch seam allowance, you ensure smooth, fray-free edges that fit snugly together. But here's the kicker. These seams are not just about sturdiness and polish. They're also crucial for determining the size of the block you want to make. Let me explain. Imagine you want a 9-patch block that finishes at 12 inches. Initially, you might cut 12 4-inch squares, which seems logical. However, once you include quarter-inch seam allowances, things begin to change. Let's take a look at just one piece right here. When sewing those squares together, each seam visually diminishes the polished side of the quilt by a quarter-inch. This means each square occupies slightly less space in the final block. So instead of a 12-inch block, you'll end up with a slightly smaller one. To correct this, consider this equation. The size of pieces you need to cut will equal the desired finished size plus ½ an inch on both the length and the width. It's crucial to realize that cutting squares at the finished size overlooks the seam allowance. Instead, aim for a 4-inch finished dimension by adding a quarter-inch seam on all sides. Once sewn, these allowances vanish, resulting in a 4-inch finished square and ultimately a 12-inch finished block, which will come out to be 12.5 inches unfinished. Understanding the impact of quarter-inch seams on your finished dimensions can make all the difference in ensuring your quilt turns out just the way you envision it. So when planning your quilt blocks, remember to factor in those trusty quarter-inch seams. Your finished project will thank you for it. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to comment any questions you have and follow and subscribe me to get more quilt math. See you later.